Fix a scanning unavailable error in the HP app for wireless HP printers. If you are scanning using the HP app and encounter an error message that states, "Scanning is currently unavailable," follow these steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer is one of the most common methods for recovering from printer errors or failures. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source and wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the cord to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Step 2. Run the HP app Diagnose and Fix tool. Using the Diagnose and Fix tool in the HP app can help identify printer connection or hardware issues. To access the tool, open the HP app. Select the printer you would like to diagnose. Scroll down to Diagnostics, then select Diagnose and Fix. Select Start, and then wait a few minutes while the app searches for any potential issues. Once the tool completes the search, it presents the results as well as next steps to fix any issues found. If the tool did not find an issue, the printer connection or hardware might not be causing the problem. Select Done to return to the HP app home screen. Step 3. Re-add the printer to the HP app. Removing and then re-adding the printer in the HP app can reset and fix connection issues. If the HP app is still open from the previous step, close and then reopen it. Select your printer from the home screen. Scroll to the bottom of the page, then select Remove from App. Select Remove Device from App again to confirm. On the app home screen, select the option to add a printer and then follow the prompts to re-add the printer. If none of the steps in this video have resolved the issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com for additional troubleshooting assistance.